얼음. I get the
Welcome back. Okay.
The stock. I mean the stick. Hit up a couple times. You got frozen. Like you drink ice, very ice. No, it's called Majangdo. It's on 8 and half veranda.
Name of the restaurant is 마장동.
Ah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. The 볶음밥이지. After you eat, they do kimchi 볶음밥. Oh, figure.
Lovely.
Remember the other day, the Gilmore? Not the Gilmore, I mean the place at A Street. After you
학산?
go square, we kimchi 볶음밥, right?
굴돼지?
What's the name of it? 문 닫는 거지?
What?
Don't remember.
차가 있는 거. 돌장. Right?
Oh, really? Better?
Yeah. Different, but it's better.
Okay.
Maybe let's have a try this dinner.
Yeah.
아빠 birthday maybe. Whose birthday? Yeah, my
The June birthday?
May.
Which one do you celebrate?
May we're gonna go to the Il Fornaio.
What?
Fornaio? It's a pasta at Beverly Hills.
No.
You have to do it on June 27.
Well,
Oh.
it's his birthday.
Whatever. We can switch then.
He should choose.
We were talking about my husband's birthday party. Yeah! Birthday party is coming! Oh my gosh.
No more chicken.
You know what my husband said? 밥맛 떨어져? He lost his appetite. I don't think so. 밥맛 떨어져 means losing appetite.
Losing.
Losing, whatever. Yeah, I'm sorry. You know, with this chicken meat and everything, soup, I can make 닭칼국수, chicken 칼국수, like the fettuccine noodle. So good. The meat is so tender. No smell or no smell. Because I'm very picky eater, you know, right? If there's a smell, I can't eat. Lovely. So good. I feel. So good. With the kim, you know, the roasted seaweed.
But if you want to take a customer to a pretty good pizza place, like an Armenian customer, go ahead.
They don't
Okay, thank you for watching and I'll see you
take
soon.
their chicken
Bye!